Good day, mathematics learners! Welcome to another learning show on television for Mathematics 7. This is your learning show in mathematics where you will be taught to derive the formula in computing the sum of interior angles of a convex polygon. I am your mathematics teacher, Maria Lourdes Garan from Abaryungan National High School. I will be your mentor for this episode. In the previous lesson, we learned the difference between the concave and convex polygons. To test your knowledge on that topic, I will show you different figures. All you need to do is to classify this whether a concave polygon or a convex polygon. I am giving you 10 seconds each item for you to answer. So bring out your ballpen and notebook. Are you ready? The first figure. Your time starts now. The correct answer is concave polygon. Very good. The second figure. Your time starts now. Let me see your answer. That's right. It's a convex polygon. The third figure. Your time starts now. Is your answer concave polygon? Very good. You're doing great. The last one. Your time starts now. Did you answer a convex polygon? Great job, my dear learners. You're doing excellent. I can see that you are now ready for our next lesson. When we say interior angle, it is an angle inside the polygon. And to get the sum of the interior angles of convex polygon, you don't need to use protractor. You can compute it using a formula. Now, considering the table shown, can you now identify the formula in computing the sum of the interior angles of the polygon? Do you know how a triangle has a sum of its interior angles of 180 degrees? Why a quadrilateral has a sum of its interior angles of 360 degrees? And a pentagon has a 540 degrees. I will give you 1 minute to think. Your time starts now. me see your answer. You are correct. The formula is S is equal to the quantity n minus 2 times 180 degrees, where S is the sum of its interior angles and n is number of sides of a convex polygon. To prove that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle using this formula, since triangle has 3 sides, use the formula S is equal to the quantity n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So you have to substitute the value of your n. So we have S is equal to the quantity 3 minus 2 times 180 degrees. So we have 3 minus 2 equals 1 times 180 degrees. So we have S is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, a triangle has a sum of 180 degrees. Same with the quadrilateral. Since quadrilateral has 4 sides, so we have n is equal to 4. So we have S is equal to the quantity n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So we have to substitute the value of n. So we have S is equal to the quantity 4 minus 2 times 180 degrees. Then we subtract 4 minus 2, so we have 2 times 180 degrees. So the final answer is S is equal to 360 degrees. Therefore, a quadrilateral has a sum of 360 degrees. What if the problem is, given its sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon and you solve for the number of sides, can you still use the formula? Yes, that's right. You can still use it. Let's try S is equal to 540 degrees. Find n. So using the formula, S is equal to the quantity n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So you have to substitute the value of your S, that is 540 degrees is equal to the quantity n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So we have 540 degrees is equal to 180n minus 360. So using the distributive property, you multiply n times 180, so we have 180n. Negative 2 times 180, we have negative 360. So we have, the next step is, negative 180n is equal to negative 360 minus 540. So we have, negative 180n is equal to negative 900. Okay, so your n is equal to 5. Since we solve for n, which is the number of sides, so it's not necessary for you to write the degree sign because we refer to the number of sides. The way I see how you responded to that questions, you are becoming a matinee. I hope you still have enough energy in doing the next activity. But before that, may I ask you again the formula in computing the sum of the interior angles of a convex polygon? That's correct! S is equal to the quantity n minus 2 times 180 degrees. To test for being a matinee, you answer the following problems. You have 60 seconds to answer each problem. is, how many sides does a convex polygon have if the sum of the measures of its interior angles is 2,340 degrees? I repeat, how many sides does a convex polygon have if the sum of the measures of its interior angles is 2,340 degrees? Your time starts now. Is your answer n is equal to 15? Good job, learners! The second problem. Find the sum of the interior angles of a polygon having 29 sides. I repeat, find the sum of all the interior angles of a polygon having 29 sides. Your time starts now. Did you get 4,860 degrees? Very good! Keep it on! The last problem. We have a pentagon has 100 degrees, 120 degrees, 90 degrees, 108 degrees, and x degrees as its interior angles. What is the value of x? I repeat, a pentagon has 100 degrees, 120 degrees, 90 degrees, 108 degrees, and x as its interior angles. What is the value of x? 122 degrees? That's correct. Clap for yourselves. Now, how many did you get? Bravo! Indeed, you are not just matinik, you are matalino. With that, you deserve a round of applause. Keep it on. I would appreciate if you answered completely the activities in your learning activity sheets. You pass them in the next retrieval. Be with me again in the next episode. I am your Matinik teacher, Maria Lourdes Garan, reminding you, my Matalino grade 7 learners, to observe the health protocols for your safety. Wear your face mask and face shield, observe physical distancing, always wash your hands. Thank you, and together, let us hope that this pandemic will soon end.